Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D printed soup. Now I know what you're all thinking, doors. Aren't they boring? Well yes they are, but with 3D printing and Christmas on the way we can make festive Christmas door decorations. And not to stick on the front of the door, no, on the door jamb, on the little square bit on the top where you can put things on. And I found a fantastic 3D printed door decoration. It's made by this guy right here and it will cheer up all the boring doors in your house. What do you mean I'm making up a problem that doesn't exist? Just to fit a 3D print I found. How dare you? To make up for that insult, drag your cursor down, click subscribe and welcome to the 3D Printed Door Society, which is 3D Printed Soup. If it's not a right angle, it's a wrong angle. Now let's get on and print ourselves some Christmas 3D decorations for the doors in your house. Excellent, with that done, this looks absolutely lovely. It's festive, it looks like gingerbread, it's covered in icing, and yes, it can even sit on your 3D printer. Or your other 3D printer. Oh! Sort of on your 3D decorations. That's going to fall off in a second and break my nice heart. There. But yes, I absolutely love this and I'm going to print a few of these, put them around my house and make my doors much more festive. Thank you for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to support us. Stay happy and safe. Keep printing.